My great students, here we go. Demonstrative. It has been a great pleasure to teach you as my students. Now I want to show you something that is very, very important. Stick and hang on my lips as I dispense English grammar to you. Demonstratives. Now, from the word demonstrate. Demonstrate is to show, to point, Number one, this is the important word. These. Now, this word itself, it's a word that is in singular form. Now, these, many people confuse between this and this. We have this and we have this. Now, the first word, that is this, it is in singular form. And it means something that is near and is in singular form. This whiteboard marker, this lamp, this whiteboard, this chair, this bulb, this, anything that is within your proximity, you must use this. THIS. This, singular and near. Something that is near, within, a range that is very, very, not to a far proximity. Now, let's move to another word. Very confusing. You must be very keen. This is it. These. Now, when we say these, it is in plural. It is not in singular. It is in, added terms, plural. For example, we can say, and near your proximity. These chairs. I don't know if you noticed something. When I used this, it was in singular. This table, these tables, this dog, these dogs. It is demonstrative, but we have the difference. You can't say these apples. You will say these in plural and say these apples. You can't say these, bag. You'll say these bags. Now, let me move to another one. Very, 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 very challenging. It is that and those. That. Now, from a proximity that is not far, now we're moving to a proximity that is, a bit elongated. Now, we have that. Number one, it is in singular. That, it's a demonstrative. That table. That. So the proximity has changed from near to far. That boy, that apple, that tree, that man, Now the proximity has changed from far, from near to far, something that is far away. That you are demonstrating something that is far away from you. Now you'll say that. Let's say, for example, you're saying, let's say, a ball. That ball. That it's far away from your proximity. Be very keen. And when you want to say something that is in plural, also far away from your proximity, you'll say, those boys over there. You can't say that boys. You'll say, those women seated over there. Those, the proximity is very far away from where you are seated or where you are watching. Are we together? It's very far, but in plural. So be very keen when using demonstratives, especially these and these, that and those, use them properly and effectively. If you want to be a good speaker, if you want to be a good writer, then use demonstratives properly. Thank you so much. I really want to hope and wish that you have learned something from our lesson. It's a great moment to be here live in Ombasa English Academy. Goodbye. Tomorrow time like this, be here to receive another big lesson. Thank you so much. Bye.